Hello, how you doing? All right, the first thing you need to do to become a successful YouTuber in 2024 is picking a niche. I love to break things down. I just don't mention things and pass on to the next one. No, I don't do that. I used to talk about having one or two niches. Reason is this: God bless us with so many talents and gifts. There is no way you just have to show the world one thing you have. You want to show many, right? But no, don't get your audience and YouTube algorithm confused. Just select two. But if you think one niche is okay, you can do this one niche for the rest of your life and you wouldn't change at some point. Go ahead. But see the reason why I always want you to go for two, because maybe at some point, like I said, you might be bored of one niche and you want to switch. And by the time you want to switch, it might be too late. You might lose your audience. See, so this is the reason why I always say go for two niches. If you want to do lifestyle and finance kind of a niche, fine. If you want to do mukbang, motherhood, fine. If you want to do educational videos, and there are a lot of niches, of course. Just combine two reasonable niches that whenever you're out here displaying any of them, your audience will be happy to see and always await your videos, no matter the time, no matter the day. Do you understand? So talking about picking niches, go on YouTube, search for the most viewed videos. At least start from there. It will give you the zeal. It will give you everything you need, like everything positive to start up a YouTube channel already. Honestly, there are so many things people talk about, and at the same time, we do the same thing but differently. If you go on YouTube and search how to grow on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, all the how to's, a lot of us have done the same topics. I'm telling you. But guess what? We do it differently. The way I'm talking about this now, if you still search how to become a successful YouTuber in 2024, a lot of people have done it. But each of us, we are doing it differently. There is no way one person will come and just, or some people will just mention the niches and then pass. Why some will break it down? As I'm breaking it down right now, I'm breaking it down to a layman understanding for you to understand that this is how it works. Do you understand? I don't know if I'm making sense at all, but if you're confused, ask me a question in the comment section because I'm always here. What am I here to do? I'm here for you. So I'm here to give it to you as it is. The second thing you need to do is creating quality videos. Yes. For instance, I'm using the natural sunlight. Reason is because I love to use it very well because it makes my video quality dope. As you can see, I didn't even open everywhere. I opened just one particular side of my window and it's giving me what I want. The sun is actually out today, unlike the few days that I've been filming. The sun, it has not been fair to me, yeah, because it's been raining. But today, the weather is so bright. So you can imagine, like, I'm not using iPhone, I'm not using Samsung and all of that. I'm using Tecno Camon 20. Yes, and Tecno, it's high time you make me your ambassador because I always talk about this phone. Each time I'm making a video, as long as it's a sit down vlog, exactly. So it's high time. Yeah, so talking about light, you need good lighting apart from apart from the natural sunlight. You can also use a good LED light. There are so many beautiful LED lights you can use, and you can also use a good ring light. Don't go for the small ones, always go for 18 inches. Yes, don't go for 14 inches or 12 inches. 18 inches is always the best. When you use 18 inches, it's just like you're using a very big LED light. It gives you the dope quality you need. Exactly. Another thing you need to know about creating good quality video is this. Always make sure that the angle where you're making your video is always fine, so that wherever you are, the lighting will be very good. It will make your video quality beautiful. If you have an iPhone, a Samsung Galaxy, or a digital camera already, that's good. You're good to go as well. As I'm using my Tecno Camon 20, it's giving me what I want. The quality of the phone is beautiful. And of course, I'm using good lighting, which is the natural sunlight. So you wouldn't know, you would think I'm using an iPhone or a Samsung. What matters is how you place the phone, the angle where you place the phone, the good lighting. All these things, they matter a lot when you're about to film. Don't just set your camera and start talking. No. The next thing is having a good title and a good catchy thumbnail. Yes, most people click on thumbnails. Of course, we do see titles, but thumbnails catches your attention first, right? Exactly. Someone like me, anytime I'm scrolling on YouTube feed, the title is always the thing for me. Like you don't have to stress yourself too much creating a thumbnail or a title. Just as you're creating your video, from there you'll be getting your thumbnail, what it will look like, and also how your title is going to look like. Do you understand? And sometimes too, if you're confused, that's why we have Chat GPT, we have AI, everything now. Even WhatsApp now. On your WhatsApp, Meta gives you everything. Just click on Meta on your WhatsApp app. Click on it, ask what you want. Ask them, for instance, you're making a video about what's it called? Marriage, and let's say you want to talk about my man broke up with me. Just ask ChatGPT this question or AI. Ask them, first of all, say hi. I made a video about marriage, and the title is my boyfriend or my husband broke up with me. I need more catchy titles. They will give you more catchy titles. You can be able to select from them if you think your brain is not, together enough to create a title or a thumbnail. Then please, the picture you're using on your title, on your thumbnail, sorry, it shouldn't be too loud. Let it just be simple and then straight to the point. Simple and catchy. Do you understand? Exactly. Then don't forget that quality over quantity. It's not about how many videos you have on your channel. What matters is the quality of your videos, quality of your thumbnail, quality of your title. I don't know if I'm making a point. Another thing you need to do is if you're filming, always smile. Don't bone up, don't be uptight. You can tell beautiful stories too as you're filming. It also brings people to your channel. I don't know if I'm making sense, because if you notice me, I always tell one or two stories when I'm filming. Not every title though. Depends on the topic anyways. Exactly. So these things get you more audience to your channel, and also subscribe to your channel, not just watching or subscribing. The next thing is editing. When you're editing your videos, please make it simple and catchy. Some people, when you're watching their videos, you'll be wondering, are you watching editing tutorial or are you watching the video itself? Like the whole videos will just be messed up with different retention editing style, and it doesn't make sense. You will distract your audience from the point you're making in the video. So please take note of this. The next thing, use keywords or searchable words people are searching for on YouTube. It will help the algorithm to push your video out there, and it will help grow your channel very fast. And the last but not the least is be real, be authentic, show that realness. You don't have to copy anybody. No. A lot of people want to be you. Do you know that? As you wanted to be someone else, other people want to be you. So why don't you do it right? Exactly. As I am like this, so you've seen me finish. There is nothing else you're going to see me do or the way I'm going to appear or something. No, this is me, always looking all natural and the rest. What I'm actually wearing is a lip gloss and not a lipstick, but that lip gloss, it has this pink substance in it. Do you I got it though, thinking it was just a normal lip gloss. Yes, because you won't see the pink whatever on the body. Oh, yeah, I have the one that you'll be seeing the pink whatever on the, but that one is different. I got this one just yesterday. Do you understand? But what can I do? Maybe it's a sign that God wants me to start making up, but I can't make up because it's not my thing. I don't even know how to do it. I admire people doing it, but I can't just do it. So show your audience the real you. Let them know you for one thing. Do you understand? Which is what? Being authentic. And that's on period. If there are other things you think you know that could help us to become successful on YouTube, please, the comment section is available for you to do that. Okay. We learn every day. Nobody, you can't know it all. That's impossible. Okay. So I also want to know things that will make my channel grow faster. These are the ones I know. So you should tell me yours too in the comment section. All right. With that being said, we've come to the end of this amazing video. Of course it is. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share this video. See you all in the next one.